Hey, how you doing there, Mr. Pencek?
Hey, welcome to my crib. Hey everybody, my name's Tyler. I am making a video for Q, who is recording right now. This entire process has been incredible. We bought the house a few months ago, did a complete renovation on it. I was only gonna do a couple windows, but then Q came by and said, hey, I think we can do something here. So throughout the entire process, we walked through every single room and evaluated the windows. Some dry rot, being in Northern Virginia. Some of the window sills had some wood rot. So Q was like, hey man, I got you covered. Here's what we're gonna do. And he laid out a complete plan for how to replace these windows and instill some confidence going forward in the future. So that way my investment lasts, 10, 20 years instead of just trying to put a Band-Aid on an issue. So we changed 30 plus windows, a couple of doors in the back, and I mean, I couldn't be happier with the product. And frankly, I wouldn't have done it had Q not been the dude that showed up to sell me the windows. So with that being said, they have my utmost confidence. And then going forward, any other buildings that I purchase in the future, Q, I got you on speed dial, baby.
All right, thank you so much, my friend. Have a good one.
Hey, man.
All right, bye.
Bye.